Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel. Today we're going to be showing you the Readylift SST lift kit for the 2014 to 2018 3/4 ton radius arm suspension trucks. Readylift has come out with a lift kit for those 2014 to 2018 Dodge radius arm 3/4 ton trucks that are coil springs all the way around, for lack of better terminology there. This lift kit is a 3-inch lift in the front and a 1-inch lift in the back. And this lift kit, according to Readylift, is going to allow you to clear a 35-inch tall tire with a 0 offset wheel and clear it with no rubbing. So super nice kit, very affordable kit too. So if you guys are looking to do a lift kit on these trucks and be able to get these big tires underneath of them, this is definitely going to be something that you want to consider if the sizing is as I mentioned right there. So with the lift kit, these are E-coated components. These are very heavy, good quality steel components. These are the fronts with the 3-inch lift for the coils in the front. And then we have our rear spacers here for the 1-inch lift on the coils in the back of the truck. Now, one thing I really like to note on the fronts are offset to keep that spring bowing that you see on some trucks with some of the lift kits out there. These are offset, and that's going to combat that spring bowing that you see on the front of those trucks. Inside this kit, you're going to get new bump stops, and then you're also going to get shock extenders for the front. And the whole kit, the design of the kit, is to be able to maintain those factory coil springs on all 4 of the corners, and that's going to get you, you're going to be able to maintain your ride quality and your handling with that by retaining those springs. So Readylift did a really good job with this kit. Super nice kit. Very simple, and you know what? That's what you're looking for. You're looking for simplicity, you're looking for affordability, and you're looking for quality, and you're going to get all 3 of those things with this kit. We are going to be installing this on one of our shop trucks. We got a 2018 Dodge. It's got the coils all the way around on it. We're going to be installing this, so we'll check that video out as well. Link you to it. You'll be putting a set of 35-inch tires underneath of it and doing the lift, and we're really excited about it. So check out that installation video, and if you have a question about Readylift suspension products or any other products, just give us a call. Thanks for watching.